Hello and welcome in this video. Well, this is the first video of this playlist or this series. In this playlist or in this series, I'll upload all videos related to Python programming language. So in the next videos, you will learn everything about Python. So this is the first or basic video. So before understanding anything, what is programming language? Let's know this. What is a programming language? So we can say that a programming is some sets of instruction we give to computer, and computer gives some output, and we can call it a set of instruction which gives an output by computer. So how does computer understand this? Well, computer understands only zeros and ones. A computer or any machine or any electronic machine knows only zeros and ones. It doesn't understand any human language or any programming language. So to have an understanding between human language and computer language means zeros and ones. So human developed another language, means programming language. So they develop programming language and it will translate the human language or the instruction which human gives to computer, it will translate to programming language or machine language. So how it knows? So human being developed another thing like another language or another tools, we can say that they developed, that's called compiler and interpreter. This is also a language. This is also something which translates the programming code or like Python code or Java code into zeros and ones. So there are many complicated things. So there are two things like compiler and interpreter. So what is the difference between them? So we do not talk very deeply about this in depth. So we just tell that interpreter is something like it will take the code and it reads line by line. So compiler will read all the code at once. So it will take all the codes and read at once. So there are some languages like assembly is very close to machine language or machine code like the zeros and ones, and some other languages like Python and JavaScript, they are very close to human language like English. So it is simply an English we can write. So when we say that Python is itself a specification, it's not a language. So when we download the Python, when we say that we should download and we should use that, it is a specification. We just download the compiler. So in the next video, I will download the compiler of Python, and later on we will talk about each and everything which we can have in Python. Like I will talk about all of those things in the next videos. But in this video, I just wanted to have a very simple introduction, a very simple, like easy and simple language to have everything. So this is the end of this video. And as Python is interpreting language, as I said, so Python is interpreting language, C language, Java and C++. These programming languages are compiler